On the left-hand side, go to Apps, search for Equations, and then click on the Equations app. So here you have all your basic operations listed here. And if you want more advanced operations, you can click on Advanced. And you have all of these options here that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, I want to write an equation for calculus. I can come over here. I can start using some of these integrals for my calculus equation. So I can write something like this, and then perhaps something like this. Use the exponents here. So I can do something like this. If I want, I can change the color to whatever color I want. And then once I'm satisfied here, then I just hit Insert Equation at the bottom. And now this equation is part of my Canva design. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.